Ever been frustrated by the tight parking spots in bustling city streets? Mastering parallel parking isn't just about sticking your car between two others. It's about gaining the confidence to navigate any urban jungle with ease. This skill empowers you with independence and convenience, essential for any city driver aiming to make their commute smooth and stress-free. Let's break it down. Parallel parking involves aligning your car parallel to the curb between two parked cars. The pivot point? That's when you start your steering turn. Practicing in those tight spaces boosts your confidence and accuracy, transforming those daunting parking situations into routine maneuvers. Remember, consistency is key. Finding the perfect spot is crucial. Look for spaces with adequate room between cars. This prevents unnecessary dings and scrapes. Always consider traffic flow and visibility. Never want to park in a blind spot. And remember, sticking to safety and road rules isn't just about avoiding tickets. It's key to keeping you and your car safe. Ready to dive in? Start by lining up your rear bumper with the car in front. Turn your wheel fully to the right and reverse slowly. Spot the pivot? That's your cue to start adjusting your angle. Shift between backward and forward motions to snugly fit your car without oversteering. Keep practicing this step-by-step guide, and soon, parking like a pro will be second nature. Avoid the pitfalls. Too much steering, you'll overshoot. Not enough? Those curbs get real friendly. Starting from the wrong position? That'll make it impossible to fit in seamlessly. Always be aware of overhead clearances and avoid scraping your bumpers. With these tips, nightmares of tight spaces will soon be behind you. Want to step up your game? Your car's side mirrors and backup camera are your best friends. Perfect your S-curve technique to make precise adjustments. Whether you're parking a compact or a sedan, adapting these techniques to fit your car's size will always ensure a perfect park. Let's put those skills to the test. Execute that smooth park, ensuring every angle is perfect. Safety checks? Always. Reversing and adjusting? Flawlessly. With practice, this achievement is within reach every time you drive. You've gained more than just parking skills. You've built patience and precision. Keep on practicing, especially if a driving test is on the horizon. These skills not only boost your confidence, but also mark your growth as a competent, independent driver. So, go ahead. Embrace the challenge of mastering parallel parking. Share your journey and experiences in the comments below. And as always, keep pushing those driving skills to new heights.